From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Thursday evening, everyone. I am Matt Hoenig, and we are tracking a multifaceted storm here across the state of Pennsylvania. It's going to bring periods of rain, snow, and wind to our region, and we're going to time all of that out for you in just a few moments. First, I wanted to start with winter weather alerts. We have a winter weather advisory from northern Center County down the spine of the Laurel Highlands, where we're expecting at least a moderate period of snow during the day tomorrow, but also across the northern tier of Pennsylvania in these pink shaded areas behind me. These are winter storm warnings that go into effect all the way through Saturday at midnight. We could see easily a half foot or more of snow in these pink shaded regions. The other story are the wind advisories and warnings we have in effect. Wind advisory for the State College area. We're going to see very gusty winds, especially during the day tomorrow, but also high wind warnings in these bright orange shaded areas from Philadelphia, Allentown, Harrisburg, into the Pittsburgh and Johnstown areas as well, where we could see wind gusts easily over 50 miles per hour at times during the day tomorrow. It's certainly a gloomy and wet commute on your way home from work or classes this afternoon, but still fairly mild here in State College. 46 degrees is the current temperature, but these temperatures will be falling overnight as that rain eventually transitions over to snow. But here is the rain overspreading the region. Even some of these heavier bands here in the yellow and orange colors will work their way into the State College area overnight tonight, and we can see this on future weather here at 11 o'clock this evening. Plenty of bands of rain still to come through the State College region throughout the evening. It's not until tomorrow morning that we flip to snow, so waking up, it's likely snowing across much of Pennsylvania. Heaviest snow probably across northern and northeasternmost Pennsylvania, and then as we head further into the day, that snow does taper off, except in easternmost Pennsylvania. We'll hang on to some snow through the late afternoon hours, but also places in southern New England will likely see some very heavy rain as well as some coastal flooding as we see some very powerful wind gusts with this storm as the storm moves offshore and begins to stall off the coast. Also could see a little bit of snow hitting the New York City and New Jersey coastline. And then finally, the storm does wind down as we head later into Friday and into early Saturday morning. But through then, we will see a lot of snow, especially across northernmost Pennsylvania. A few inches possible from the Laurel Highlands back into places like Du Bois and Franklin. The vast majority of the snow likely across the northernmost part of Pennsylvania, and especially into upstate New York, where we'll likely see over a foot of snow in some of the higher elevations of New York. The other story are the very gusty winds, easily gusting over 30, perhaps even over 40 miles per hour here in central Pennsylvania. Certainly some higher wind gusts along the coast of the Northeast, even as far out as to southern New England, Boston, Nantucket, easily gusting into the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. And those winds won't die down until late Saturday. So let's time this out for you one more time here. Very heavy rain overnight tonight at times, as well as increasing wind through the overnight hours. And then tomorrow morning, there's that snow falling, transitioning over from west to east. So cool to start tomorrow morning, only in the lower 30s, though by Friday afternoon, we are drying out across most of Pennsylvania, but we're going to see some very windy conditions. That's going to create some very significant travel as you plan to head away from campus and back home for spring break. So we're going to keep you updated here on the Campus Weather Service Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube pages, not only tonight, but also into the day tomorrow to get you through the storm. I'm Matt Hoenig. Thank you for watching, and have a great and safe rest of your evening.